Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you guys to my first ever DIY workshop in Seoul, South Korea. And stay tuned because it's inspired by a K-drama series. You guys know how much I love DIY, so of course I had to try this out. I saw it in a K-drama series and I loved it. I wish it was sogang, but no, it's this butterfly. It's a stained glass butterfly and I'll be trying this out. I went to this workshop which is located in Seoul. It was so pretty and it kind of reminded me of my studio. Everything was handmade. So before we started, we had to put this apron जो मुझे पहनने नहीं आ रहा था. I was struggling. So my Sonseng name teacher, she helped me with the apron. Glass cutting, molding, ये सब करने वाले हैं. So we had to put gloves and ये पता नहीं क्या था.
빨리. 3시간 걸려요.
3시간?
Yeah.
네. So before we got into the main DIY, we practiced using this plain glass कि इसे कैसे cut करना है. And our DIY teacher, she could speak English, so the instructions were very easy to understand. There were so many designs and we had to select one. And Yui, she went through some designs and finally she selected the whale. And here's my butterfly. There were many pretty stained glasses in different colors and design. We had to pick our color theme, like कौन सा color combination हमें चाहिए. I went with blue shades and this is my final color selection.
If you draw this one, the two, you have to find the two.
Next step was tracing out the shapes on all the glasses. I genuinely missed DIY and I cannot tell you guys how excited I was making this one. And then using this unique glass cutter, cutting out the shapes carefully. I'm being honest, I messed up twice. I ruined the glass and मैं बहुत sad हो गई थी, but the teacher was very kind and she was kind of motivating me. I started cutting the glasses properly. I have gone to few more DIY workshops, so stay tuned for that. उसका भी video जल्दी आएगा. Mostly मैं YouTube shorts ही डालूंगी. Arranging all the shapes and now the actual DIY begins.
여기 가운데. Okay, middle. And all around.
Okay, edges.
Yes. You have to more concentrate. It's too detailed. 이렇게. Okay.
So this is basically a copper tape and I had to stick it on all the glass pieces. It was all taped and looks so pretty, but here comes the main step. We moved to this table which looks super cool and the step was even more fun and interesting. I was melting the wire using this hot rod. So I was holding this hot rod and I was supposed to melt the wire and stick it all over the copper tape. थोड़ा सा difficult था, but this has to be my favorite step because it kind of reminded me of hot glue gun. Lastly, using these beautiful charms, beads to decorate our DIY. Yui added some shells and pearls to her whale hanging. Look at this, so cute. And I went with simple clear crystal beads because I wanted my butterfly to shine bright like a diamond. Yes, Rihanna. And here you go. DIY butterfly wall hanging is ready. So my beautiful butterfly wall hanging, which I'm very proud of it. This is how it looks in natural light and sunlight. She packed her DIYs and look at the packaging. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos that are coming up on my channel.
안녕.
감사합니다. Keep inspiring.